Hello guys, welcome to my short video channel, YouTube, Jochak Japan. Mag-ano kami, harvest ng bitter gourd. Wow, ayan, tutulungan ako ni Kuya. Bitter gourd and ano pa yung isa? 4 cucumber. Dito sa aming maliit na backyard. Wow, that's so big. Oh, thank you. May gagawin na naman akong pickles. Japanese tsukemono. So heavy. Okay, thank you for helping me, Kuya. And where is the other one? Ay, here, another one. Kunin na natin yan. Umulan po kasi ng 2 days. Ayan. So healthy na sila. Wow, that's good. And, marami pala. So marami. Wow, thank you so much. Okay. Sige. Okay, take it. Sige na. Sometimes lang makapunta na dito. Sorry, not yet. Baby bitter gourd. And also piman. Kunin na natin piman. Ayan. Okay. Okay, let's go. Help me. Okay guys, ito yung mga tanim kong tomatoes. Ayan. They are flowering now. May basil. Lilipat na rin kita dun sa kabila, baby. I will get you later on. Today we are busy again because last day we are busy to my grandson. Okay. Okay. This is my green bell pepper. Okay. Here. Oh, kahit malilit pa kunin na namin. Okay. Yan, para madiligan later. And tomatoes. This is finishing, no? My tomatoes. Aiko. Okay. Yan. Come on. No! That is not cute. Yung palaka. Niloloko na naman ako nito. I'm afraid of palaka. Guys, look. Dali. Hurry up. Hanggang 3 minutes lang natin. Ubusin mo na yung mga bago malanta. So many vegetables here. Come on. Ipapapakin na naman ako. It's too hot. Nasa peak na tayo ng ngayon. Ng summer. Come on. Tayo pa tomato. And. Okay. Kuya, later. Patatapos na. Kumuha kasi silin ng green na konti. Lalagagawa kasi ng suka. Gumawa kasi ako lumpia ng Shanghai. Sige, gupitin mo na ganyan lahat. Ayan. Thank you. Okay. Oh, look at this.